Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Real estate and investment company PANJAM has sold its stake in spices manufacturer and distributor Newcastle Company Limited. In a notice to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, PANJAM says it sold its 33.3% shareholding in the company, which owns the Walker's Wood, Busher Brown, and Jamaica Joe brands. The transaction became effective December 21 last year. Now, PANJAM CEO Joanna Banks says while it is expected that Newcastle will, quote, continue on its growth trajectory, PANJAM's investment objectives have been met, unquote. The Bank of Jamaica says it issued more money in December 22 than initially projected. The central bank says in the last 10 days of 2022, that's 10 working days, $13.7 billion more money was issued. This brought the net currency issue for the month to $27.7 billion, or 13.4% more than November. In early December, the BOJ projected that the currency issue would grow by $21.5 billion. It says the currency issue for the month was 11% higher than December 2021 at the time. Now, at December 31, 2022, the total currency stock was $233.8 billion, 3% higher than 2021. The Bank of Jamaica says it expects most of the currency issued during December 2022 will be redeemed during this month. Now, for the last 5 years, net currency redemption on average was 76.5% in the month of January. Now, more electricity was produced in the third quarter of 2022, which ended September. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says the industry's output rose 3.9% compared to the same period in 2021. The increase was primarily due to a 5.1% rise in electricity consumption, amounting to about 837,872 megawatt hours for the quarter. That's compared to the same period last year. Now, the Statistical Institute of Jamaica says the increase was driven by higher consumption by commercial entities. And let's head to the currency market now. The US dollar is being sold for an average $153.33. $114.17 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $185.96 for the pound, while it's costing an average $162.60 for the euro. The JSE index closed losing 4,673 points, while the junior market index gained 3 points. Among the advances were Portland JSX, JMB Group 5.75% US dollar shares, Express Catering, Paramount Trading, and One-on-One Educational Services. On the losing side were Sterling Investments, T-Tech, Kingston Wharves, Productive Business Solutions 9.75% cumulative redeemable preference shares, and PBS 9.25% perpetual cumulative redeemable preference US dollar shares. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.